Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss and friends. We are from Group 3, and the member of Group 3 is me, Anissa Tripurbawati, as the moderator, Hadi Saputra Siregar, Rahayu Nimas Marta, and the last one is Sobrina Siva Ayu. We will going to talking about procedure text. Okay, next, the first material will be explained by Hadi Saputra. To Hadi, time is yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator. I would like to explain about definition of procedure text. Procedure text is a text that explain or help us how to make or use something. Its social function is to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of steps. Communicative purpose of this text is to describe how something is made through a sequence of action or step. Next, please. The next is a purpose of procedure text. The first, to explain or tell the reader how to make or operate or do something to a sequence of action or step. And the last, to explain step or instruction to make or operate or do something. Thank you. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you to Hadi. By Sobrina to Sobrina, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for moderator. I will explain the generic structure. In procedure text, we have three structure. The first, aim or goal. Well, the first part in the writing procedure text is aim or goal, which means goal. Usually, this purpose lies in the title indicating the purpose of text. Example, how to make dalgona coffee. Second structure is ingredients or materials. It contains what materials or tools are used to make something in the procedure text. Example, the ingredients to make dalgona coffee are coffee and sugar. And we also need a spoon and warm water. Here we can conclude that coffee, sugar, and warm water is ingredients, and the material is spoon. The last steps or methods. This section contains the steps taken to achieve the objective of the procedure text. Example, first, wash the tomatoes. Next, we'll have language features. The first is using simple present tense, using imperative sentence like pour, add, and etc. 3 example verb like stir, add, etc. 4 using connective like firstly, secondly, then, after that, etc. And adverb of time like in 10 minutes or for 1 hour. The last adverb of manner like slowly, quickly, and so on. Thanks. That's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Sabrina. The last material is the example of procedure text will be explained by me. As we can see here, the title of procedure text is how to make scrambled eggs. So we can conclude that the aim or goal from this procedure text is how to make scrambled eggs. The second structure of this procedure text is ingredients. As we can see here, the ingredients is 2 eggs, milk, 1 teaspoon of butter, a pinch of salt, and water. We can conclude that all this material is the ingredients because to make a scrambled eggs, we need these ingredients. The last structure is steps. From point 1 to point 7 is the steps. First, Break the eggs into a small bowl and add a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk until it's well blended. Second, in a frying pan, add butter and let it melt. Third, pour in the eggs and milk. Stir it with a spatula. Fifth, repeat the previous step until all the eggs are mostly cooked. Six, remove the eggs from the heat and continue to fold and stir the eggs for around a minute. The last one, 7, last, leave the eggs and put them on a serving plate and your scrambled eggs are ready. As we can see in the example, there is the bold word. Sorry, is the blue. This is the connective. First, after that, and last is the connective. And the underlined word is imperative sentence because there is no object, there is no subject. And we can see in the third step, for around 20 seconds, is the adverb of time. Okay. Maybe that's all for me. If you have any critique, you can tell us. And if you have any question, you can ask to us. Thank you. Udah.